Welcome to Quick Hub. In this video, we'll walk you through how to manage your contacts inside Quick Hub CRM, including how to import contacts from a CSV file and add a new one manually. Let's start with importing contacts. Open Quick Hub and click on CRM from the main menu. Then select Contacts inside the CRM section. This is where all your business contacts are managed. Next, click on Import CSV. A new window will appear. Click to upload. From your system, open Files and choose the CSV folder that contains your contact list. Once the file is uploaded, click Download the folder if you'd like to review it, and when everything looks good, click Save. After saving, your contacts will be imported automatically. You can now head back to the contacts list in CRM to verify all the uploaded entries. Now, let's add a new contact manually. From the same Contacts section, click on Add Contact. In the form that appears, enter the first name and last name of the contact. Then, type in their phone number in the Contact Details section. Once you've filled in all the details, click Save. You'll now see your new contact added to the list instantly. And that's how quick and easy it is to add and manage contacts in Quick Hub CRM. And that's it. You've successfully imported your contacts and added new ones inside Quick Hub. Stay tuned for more Quick Hub tutorials to help you manage your business smarter and faster.